President Duterte has appointed retired Philippine National Police Academy Director Major General Gilbert Cruz as member of the Dangerous Drugs Board. Cruz will have the rank of Undersecretary. The palace said Cruz's appointment is timely and relevant with his previous work. The agency's chair, Secretary Catalino Cuy, welcomed the appointment. Cruz is a member of PNPA Class 1986.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.